Here's my GE window AC running at night. It's currently 9:30 right now, and it's running. The air coming out of it's pretty cold. I can show what it looks like from outside. You can see the fan kind of spinning in there. Oh, it just shut off. You can see the fan kind of spinning in there too. And then there's the filter. As you can see, it kind of needs a cleaning, the filter. And you can see the thing slow down too when I turned it off. You can see the fan kind of slowing down a little. Not sure if you can see it or not, but it's slowing down. There's like a little fan in there. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.